How's it doing, guys? This is X60Dog X6 here, and I'm going to be playing Watch Dogs. I know I said I was going to upload it on the 3rd, but I had to get a new video card in order for it to work. So, each episode or part is going to be 15 minutes long, I hope. Then I'm going to be uploading this like a lot, so I'm gonna be quiet.
Okay, I'm in the lobby of the Merlot.
All right, let's do it.
I'm hacking in.
Look at that. Secrets and lies floating in a cloud of data. I just reach out, pluck it from the sky, and it's mine.
It's ours. Stay focused. You got a nasty security system. How much we got?
100 grand in 30 seconds. God bless the rich and famous. We are the modern day magicians, siphoning bank accounts out of thin air. Can you hear yourself? What was that? Hello. I think someone else is hacking in. Let's take a peek. Let's not.
Stick to the plan, Damien.
Siphon the accounts and get out. Adventure, my boy. Have faith in your mentor. Something triggered that alarm. Let's find it. Shit. It's scanning the system. I'm almost there.
I'm shutting down now.
Don't you touch a thing. What the hell is that?
We need to abort.
We are not done. Help me.
Damien, it's over. I'm disconnected.
Maurice.
Yeah?
You're on. One of our contractors ran a search for the hackers in the Merlot job. You're assigned Aiden Pierce. Take him out. Hit the family if you need to. This guy's hacking days are done.
Hit the family?
Got a problem?
Nope. Husky, I'm good. You'll never hear from him again.
Oh, you're going to hear about him. Ubisoft presents.
Who gave the order?
Don't.
You don't know.
Hit the family? Not a problem. Nope. Husky, I'm good. You'll never hear from him again.
So what do you think, Maurice?
Did you scare me? It was a job, Eddie. I didn't know.
Who was on the other end of the call? Give me a name.
They never gave me a name.
Yeah, I'll tell you a name. Lena. Lena Pierce.
I didn't know about any kids, alright? That wasn't supposed to happen.
I want you to think very carefully. Think.
Look, man. Even if I knew a name, you couldn't get me talking. These guys. I heard stories, man, they're like nothing you ever seen before. You gotta walk away from this, man.
Some things you can't walk away
Please!
from.
Please!
Who gave the order?
I spoke to them on the phone and they told me where to find you. That's all I know, man. That's all I know.
Give me a name.
I don't know! A name! Kill me, man. Just fucking kill me.
No, I want you to suffer.
Ah!
How's your memory now?
Why don't I have a display gameplay? Okay. Come at me, bro. Yes, I've played this before. My extractable baton.
Maurice won't talk to me.
Shut up!
And I bet he talked to you.
I can't keep running. I can't do it. That fucking Aiden Pierce. I killed his niece. He won't stop chasing me. Where's this guy? What am I gonna do? He keeps coming.
I need to keep moving.
Okay, I never knew that money was back there. Why don't I have the aim thing?
Yo, Maurice!
Okay.
Yo, what's shaking, motherfucker?
Where the hell you been?
What?
He's talking to me. I leave you for 2 minutes.
Give me my bullets.
I tossed him. What? You said you'd kill him otherwise.
I told you to hold on to them, Jordy. Where you been, anyway?
I had to make a call. And you get what you need from Maurice? Oh, you're kidding me.
Let's clean this mess up. Stop admiring your work.
Hey, that's cute and all, but I'm disappointed, Pierce. I mean, you failed to spot the nasty inter-gang drama I'm creating here.
I don't like loose ends. Let's get him out of here.
No, too late. Bottom of the 8th. Chicago's ahead. Game's almost over. We are out of time. Nice shot. Huh. Come on, you're not just a little interested in my phone call.
All right, fine. Tell me about your phone call.
Glad you asked. Okay, we got a bunch of dead bodies, right? We got 40,000 people above us. We need a distraction. I called the cops.
You did.
Oh, yeah, true story. So, cops arrive, and Maurice's little band of brothers arrive, and pow, 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 pow.
Jordy, tell me you're joking.
No, I called them too. Look, we get a messy altercation at the end of the game. You and I slip away undetected. They'll appreciate the plan tomorrow. Great.
Punctual cops. Can I handle these guys? You grab Maurice, get him out of here.
Maurice, what do I look like, a chauffeur?
He's the shooter. I'm not through with him yet.
Dick.
Chicago Police, if there's anybody in here, identify yourselves.
Do I have to eat? No.
In here, definitely a viceroy. Here's the weapon.
Oh.
Gun down.
I didn't see him.
Anybody in here, identify yourselves.
9.
Chip said we're looking for gangbangers. Sweep the room. Careful, these shitbags don't play fair. Here's the weapon.
Wish they'd
Gun
just
shop.
play in their own backyard. I got another corpse. Another viceroy.
Victim of this crime.
Okay. Now let's grab his ammo. I still don't have a name thing.
Squad, we've got 2 bodies in the basement.
Copy, we're sending forensics. Secure your position for now. We're sweeping each level of the
I mostly use this.
15-7 record last season. We're watching an epic confrontation between two old rivals here today, and this game couldn't be any closer. Big base steals on this team with 27 steals this series, but Sanova's watching them like a hawk.
Looks like it
That's
unlocks
a
from the other
pitch and a hit,
side.
and it looks like, yeah, that's a foul ball. Roger's not falling for that one. Both men
Why
are
is it so
experts at the
low?
mind game. 2 on, 2 out.
No,
Folks,
who's
something's
this
gonna give
guy?
soon, and it could go either way.
Need to go
Sonoma
over
pitches,
here.
that's a big hit.
Nope. Quiet here.
We've got a known viceroy in the VIP lounge. We're gonna check him out.
Off to be bodyguard.
Okay, I'm coming up.
Slow down there, Speedy. He's down there.
He's not moving unless I give him a reason.
Okay. Let's play some music for him. Okay, I'm holding it. Boop.
Alright. Take the bait.
Okay, with my bloody hands. Okay, with my bloody hands. Okay. Yay, money! Money.
Hey, you, sir.
This
Yeah,
is
you, come here.
bullshit, man. You ain't got no probable cause.
We're just talking.
Look, I got my tickets right here.
No, keep your hands where I can see them.
Why does that keep on happening?
Nothing wrong.
Get back now. You're viceroys, aren't you?
That ain't illegal, right?
Don't get smart.
Bad boy. The police are about to lock this whole place down. I'm stuck unless we create a major distraction. I want to cut the power and slip past them.
Do it all stay here? I thought you wanted to keep the vigilante out of the news. Everything's connected to the CTOS with a serious firewall.
Right now, I need to get out of the stadium. Can you find me the nearest access point?
In the next room. But you'll need to find someone with security clearance.
Security guard should have access.
Hey,
All these
Yes,
guys
I
has
know
gotta
where
be
he is.
there.
you got an evacuation plan, right?
Of course we do.
Good, we need to get moving on it.
We're not gonna evacuate 40,000 people so we can play cowboys and Indians. But you got an isolated incident in the basement, we can close the basement. I got no problem with that.
This whole place is about to fill up with Chicago
Oh.
PD. That's gonna cause a panic. We need to shut the game down and get people out of here safely.
Shut it down, eh?
Blackout. Not the blackout. No, blue.
Things are starting to look real ugly from up here. Blackout destroyed a couple arc lights. We may have injured. We've got people filing onto the field. We're coordinating now with pushing the west out to get the system back online. Bear with us.
Okay. Yeah, put the baseball back.
Where are you, Jordy?
What? Gone. I'm allergic to cops, so is Marie.
Oh, that's
but
her
don't worry, I
nice.
left you a present. Friend of a friend deals in pre-owned cars. Got a real beauty waiting for you in the garage across the street. Take it or leave it. I
There's a
don't
bunch of
care.
cops fly by out there.
Gotta go.
That's a lot of sirens for a blackout. Shit, something ain't right. We should stay put.
Squad, lost the suspect.
Run. Yes, I know what to do. Okay, guys. Time is up. I'll see you next episode. Bye.